It was a nice sunny day, and Mum brought Mac and me to the village. What's that?
Sounds like pipes to me. Come on, wee fee, to wee hag leak.
Then we all went up the street to see what was going on. Mac was right. The thing that was making all the loud noises was a lady with bagpipes.
You hate to hear a wild lot of one for the pipes.
The drums were shaped like perfect circles, and there were different sizes.
Don wee ends are called side drums, or snare drums. They play the rhythm of the tune. The middle-sized one is the tenor drum, and the drummers like to burl their sticks in the air.
What's that big one there, Mac?
Don big yen is the bass drum, lassie. It keeps the beat gay and steady.
And what instrument does he play?
Don boy is the high Hedian, the drum major. He doesn't hear on the instrument the day. He has to keep all the rest of them booties reached.
Then the band started marching. The pipes were playing the melody, the bass drum was keeping the beat, the snare drums were playing the rhythm, the tenor drummers twirled their drumsticks, and the drum major kept them all right, just like Mac said. How do you know so much about the band, Mac?
Well, new lassie, a lot of years back, I used to be in a band like the Onion.
Really? Did you play the drum?
Oh no, I was a high Hedian, keeping them all richt.
Wasn't the band great, Mac?
Well, new wee fee, it was a brave good day altogether.